What animal has the most complex eyes with up to 16 types of photoreceptors? Answer A. Mantis shrimp. Which animal sleeps with one half of its brain at a time? Answer C. Dolphin. Which species of jellyfish is considered biologically immortal? Answer A. Turritopsis docherni. Which animal has blue blood due to copper-based hemocyanin? Answer B. Horseshoe crab. Which animal has no vocal cords but can still roar? Answer C. Lion. Which mammal has the shortest known gestation period? Only about 12 days. Answer A. Shrew. What animal uses echolocation and is not a mammal? Answer C. Oilbird. What is the only venomous primate? Answer B. Slow loris. What animal's heart is in its head? Answer A. Shrimp. What is the only no animal that can regenerate its entire head, including the brain? Answer B. Planarian flatworm. Subscribe now, because who doesn't need another serving of random weirdness?